guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I came on here to do videos and stuff, but if you're the real OG, then you know I have been here on Instagram, but not here on YouTube actually, but on Instagram, and I have been posting pictures and videos and all sorts of things. But I haven't had time to come here on YouTube and do videos for you guys because I have been so busy. Like, I have legit been everywhere and nowhere. Like, my schedule is so confusing this year, and I haven't been able to do things that matter the most to me. But you guys are still here for me. You guys still stayed strong, and I am so happy to be talking to you guys again. It has been a really long while, but anyways, we're here and we're better. So yeah, so today's makeup look is this look I have right now on my face. I am actually doing a first impression on a palette I got while I was in Nigeria. This palette is from icandy Cosmetics. I have used their previous palette before, which was the All I Want for Christmas palette. Yes, and I decided to try the product again because I really love that palette. I have like lots of looks with that palette on my Instagram page, and then you think that like that was like the only palette I owned, but like it was that good. That's why you have lots of looks with that palette on my Instagram page. So I decided to get another palette from them while I was in Nigeria, and I got one. This is their new palette. This is the Sweetart Pallete. Yeah. So yeah, the packaging is amazing first off, and I really like the palette. You guys can see how good the shadows came up on my face. And yeah, so with that being said, you guys want to see this look in full, thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget, I almost forgot because it's been a while. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below before you leave, and also watch my other videos. Why not? Because you know, I have lots of fun things that you would definitely be interested in seeing. So yeah, thanks guys.
So jumping right in, I'm just going to fill my brows lightly with my Anastatiabeverlyhills brow pomade in the shade medium brown.
No fun. I tie one, smoke one, big chief skeppy and I answer to no one.
So now I just clean up my brows with some concealer, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer in the shade natural. I'm going to use it to prime and prep my eyelids.
Never stay in one place, and she knows I got more tricks.
So after priming my eyes, I am going into this palette. So this palette, I got it from icandy Cosmetics. It's their Sweetart Pallete, which is one of their latest palette, I believe. I got this palette myself. I bought it. This is not a sponsored video. This is the first time I'm using this palette, and I am super excited. Like the packaging, guys, like, can you see how pretty this palette is? It comes with a mirror, which is so nice because most palettes nowadays do not come with mirrors, and I'm like, why would you not come with a mirror? So yeah, the palette comes with more of the palette. So the first row are all matte shades. The palette comes with 18 colors. The first row all matte shades. The middle row are shimmers, and I think the last color, which is this color, is matte, which is, I think it's supposed to be an off black. I don't know if there's color like that. While the last row are pressed glitters. So yeah, this palette is so nice. Like, there's a wild range of colors to create different kinds of look, ranging from day to night looks, like nude looks, and even more colorful looks. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this palette. And yeah, so I'm going to be starting this look off with this color right here. It's my transition shade.
Tongue kissing pretty women, new iPhone.
Nice. It's not very obvious because of the color. It's just meant to be my transition shade. And also my lights is playing magic and hiding my shadows, but then you guys will see the finished look. It will all come together at the end, trust me. Another palette from icandy Cosmetics. So I'm going for a more nude pinkish look, and I want to darken this color, and I'm not seeing the color I could use in this other palette, so I'm going to pick up this one and use it. I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to be using it to darken the first color.
So right now I'm just putting in that color on my crease.
Every night men are doing sexercise. She look into my eyes, now she's mesmerized.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love.
The last shade on the first row. No, actually, the second to the last shade on the first row. And I'm going to be popping this at the outer corner. This palette is very nice in the sense that it's reminding me of like lots of palettes I own right now. I compare it to my Huda Beauty Woman Sessions palette right now, and I'm not joking. Like, I am legit telling you guys the truth. This is what every coin I spent on purchasing this palette. So I'm just going back and forth and putting in that color.
So right now, using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Biscuit, I'm just using this to create the half cut crease.
Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.
So now using this baby pink color from the same palette, I'm going to be using this color to set the areas I cut with the concealer.
Breathe. True. Hey, I'm trying to get
Just lightly blending out the edges because we don't want any harsh lines.
young shorty, Milcavelli.
See, I wasn't really feeling the look, so I decided to add a little bit of black to the look, and it just made the whole look complete. So I added black from the same palette, and it was bomb.
I'm at the top of the mountain, it's peak. Bring it back before the villain. I had a life, real talk, true religion. It's in the blood, in the jeans, in the stitching. Walked in, no weapon, made a killing. Tongue kissing, pretty women. New iPhone, cause I'm done with all the bitching. Trying to be in my position.
Now for some really, really thin wing liner.
See, I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell I say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy.
I'm going to put on these dramatic lashes. I think I got it from Amazon. I'm not very sure of the name, but I'll leave it down below.
Girl, waste no time.
Breakfast in bed on a plane. I could never complain.
Now moving on to the rest of my face, I'm using a primer. I never use primer, but I got this one and I am so into it, so in love. And I'm like, why haven't I been using the primer all this while? So yeah, this is the Rimmel primer. I'll leave the name in the description box. Moving on with my regular face painting methods. Nothing's changed. If you're new to my channel and you haven't seen me do my makeup before, I'm not really going to explain much in this video. So you can go check my other videos where there are more detailed explanations on how I do my face and everything.
Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.
Hey, they better get used to the flex. African man, you see the jewels on my neck. Black James Bond.
I'm going to highlight my face with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Biscuit.
Been running around trying to do the home run. Left that girl, she was no fun. I tie one, smoke one, big chief skeppy and I answer to no one. Counting my blessings, I'm feeling special. Bird's eye view, SK level. Give them the shaku when I dance with the devil. Young fella could to the return of the rebel. I told her I need some space. Real busybody, never stay in one place. And she knows I got more tricks under my sleeve. That's why she never wants me to leave.
She tell me, bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell I say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.
So I went on set my face with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now to nose contour, I'm using this Beauty setting powder, I think, in the shade Tan.
I'm trying to get paid, take money, cash checks. You see the set, that's Lash, that's Dex. Young C, Young Shorty, Milcavelli. White bricks, True Religion, on the telly, it's me. Wiz got the house full of freaks. That's why I haven't.
So I'm just dusting off all the excess powder on my face to set my whole face as well.
The mountain is peak. Bring it back before the villain.
And now for my under eye, I'm taking that Fresh Transition shade and I'm putting this below my waterline. Then I'm going back into my palette with the last shade and I'm just going to put this above that color and like blend the two colors together. Right now I'm just putting a black liner. Yes, for the glow I'm using my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustla Baby and putting it on the highest point of my face. You know the drill.
Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night.
Now using this Zaron brown lip liner, I'm going to line my lips.
I could never complain. I was walking with the limp, had the cane.
For gloss today, I'm going to be using this LA Colors gloss. I'll leave the name in the description box.
I'm in the club, then my best advice.
That's it, guys. Come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it has been a while and yeah, I probably don't even know how to film anymore. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, more first impression videos of other brands from me, please leave a comment down below, and any other thing you would like to ask me or anything, basically, make sure you leave a comment down below and check my description box for details on this look. And also, please do not forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed in the first place, please subscribe before you leave my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Black James Bond, that's the new silhouette. You see me in the street and I was moving correct. Been running around trying to do the home run. Left that girl, she was no fun. I tie one, smoke one, big chief skeppy and I answer to no one. Counting my blessings, I'm feeling special. Bird's eye view, SK level. Give them the shaku when I dance with the devil. Young fella Kuti, the return of the rebel. I told her I need some space. Real busybody.